Who is the judicial officer here?
That lady,
No, this lady in the white saree. And who is this?
husband.
And they are abusing others.
The judicial officer, along with her husband, were in a car. Car was driven a little fast. Accused number 1, have asked them to slow down the vehicle. They've chased back to their place where they're constructing a house. Asked to pay fine.
17,000.
I've been told that 6,500 rupees was penalty for not wearing helmet and etc.
So who is she to ask?
This is not one instance. There are other instances which the advocates brought to our notice.
One of the incident, PWD officer was called to repair the house. Officer has not repaired. The police was called to take them to custody.
And she thinks it's her personal fiefdom.
The 72-year-old.
Even the grandfather is arrested.
We arrested them a lot.
The overtaking happens by the petitioners 1 and 2 on their two-wheeler. Ego of the judicial officer or her husband is hurt. Complainant Ure, permission is granted for deletion of video, content and any other content still existing on social media. Ure complainant, Ure order, Ure judge.
Please one document.
Kudi, this is the judicial officer. Complainant is a judicial officer.
This is a request to delete the social media content.
Now what happened actually?
There was the judicial officer along with her husband was in a car.
Official car?
No, private car. It appears that the car was driven a little fast.
Which car? This car.
So the accused number 1 have asked them to slow down the vehicle. They've chased back to their place where they're constructing a house. Then
Chased.
In fact, Lord, I have video is there. Entire video of that.
Kudi. Who is the judicial officer here?
That lady,
No, this lady in the white saree. And who is this?
husband.
And they are abusing others. A road rage.
It's not a road rage. It is.
No, Ravi Shankar is highly unbecoming.
Not the
Highly unbecoming of.
correct. Not on behalf of the association. We have already given a representation to the administrative judge requesting to take disciplinary action against this judicial officer. There is already a representation.
It's all right. But there's a crime registered here.
That's true, my lords. At the instance of we have mentioned it, my lords, in the representation that this is something which is unbecoming of a judicial officer, and we have requested to take disciplinary proceedings against this officer.
The issue, my lord, incident happens. Then of course, the petitioner was taken to police station. We had no option, my lord. We have to take them to police station.
Correct.
Sorry to say, my lord, but they were asked to pay
But
fine.
this Ravi Shankar, sir, they should stop.
I understand, my lords.
This can't be countenanced at all.
Not at all, my lords.
Should
We have
not
also taken up this issue very seriously. And once the advocates had come, my lords, from Malur, complaining, not just this incident.
What is the name of the judicial officer? Complaint is
It's there.
Yaru Gayatri.
Yes.
This is not one instance. There are other instances which the advocates brought to our notice.
Of the same person.
The same judicial officer. We've incorporated as part of our representation and given it to the administrative judge.
And I've been told, my lord, sorry. I've been told, my lord, in one of the incident, PWD officer was called to repair the house. Officer has not repaired. The police was called to take them to custody.
And she thinks it's her personal fiefdom.
And here,
I will share the copy of the representation which we have given, my lords.
No, anyway, I've seen the video. We'll see.
And here he has been taken to police station, asked to pay fine.
17,000.
For I think their representation says 17,000. I've been told that 6,500 rupees was penalty for not wearing helmet and etc. And the incident.
So who is she to ask?
The incident.
If someone is wearing the helmet or not wearing the helmet.
What is important, the incident thereafter was captured and viral in a social media.
Yes, it's the.
Then she comes to police station. She was sitting outside the police station till midnight, and we have to arrest the petitioner 1 and petitioner accused number 3, who is the 72-year-old grandfather of the petitioner.
Why did you? That even the grandfather is arrested?
We arrested them, my lord, and then produced before the judicial magistrate, who then release them on bail.
Oh, idurlu complainant ಇವರೇ?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. And the more important, the order, it directs that content should be deleted
Permission,
from the.
complainant ಇವರೇ?
Yes.
Permission is granted for deletion of video, content and any other content still existing on social media. ಇವರೇ complainant, ಇವರೇ order, ಇವರೇ judge.
It reminds me of
Yeah.
what Justice Karnan.
ಆವಾಗ, yes. The second respondent is the complainant, is said to be a judicial officer, the CJM Malur. The complaint narrates an incident where the petitioners accused 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 2, overtake the vehicle of the complainant, the judicial officer, who was traveling in her private car with her husband. The overtaking happens by the petitioners 1 and 2 on their two-wheeler. It transpires that the ego of the judicial officer or her husband is hurt. They chase the vehicle, i.e. the two-wheeler, from their car, the Innova, and stop them and get down to a squabble. The squabble is captured on the CCTV. This court has viewed the footage of the CCTV, which involves the judicial officer with her husband indulging in quarrel. The issue is whether this could become the so-and-so. The learned SPP submits that who were traveling in the two-wheeler were only petitioners 1 and 2, accused 1 and 2. But at the behest of the judicial officer, the accused number 3, P. Venkatesh, who is 70 years old, is also taken into custody. It is surprising as to how, in the offences so laid against these petitioners, they were taken into custody. Merely because the complainant was a judicial officer, it would not mean that the citizens are treated in the manner at the dictate of the said judicial officer. A perusal at the video or video that is now circulated in the social media would clearly indicate that the judicial officer has behaved in a manner totally unbecoming of the office that she holds. As the office of the judge or a judicial officer is not one that can be donned within the precincts of the courtroom, precincts of the courtroom and to be discarded at the threshold of the courtroom. Judicial office is a continuing public trust. It is not inside the courtroom, but it is outside behavior outside the courtroom that would erode the confidence of the public or sustain the confidence of the public. Every act thus of a judicial officer in the discharge of judicial duties is not confined to the four walls of the court hall, but travels beyond the court hall when the interaction happens with the public. If the video is noticed, it prima facie clearly indicates that it is wholly unbecoming of a judicial officer to get down from the car, indulge in a quarrel with a common man who only did the crime of overtaking the car of a judicial officer. They're
Asking them to go slow.
overtaking the car of the judicial officer and asking the car to travel slow because they were traveling on a two-wheeler. If this has enraged or hurt the ego of the judicial officer, nothing can become a classic example, classic illustration of abuse of the office of the judicial officer. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceeding, further investigation qua these petitioners, while the act of this judicial officer must be placed before the Hon'ble the Chief Justice for further action. The registry is directed to place this order before the Hon'ble the Chief Justice for further action against the judicial officer. PWD ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಲಿ ಆಚೆಗೆ.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಇದೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ. ಅವರು ಮಾಲೂರ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಒಂದೊಂದೊಂದೊಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಒಂದ್ 7-8 ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ 4 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವ್ ಆಗ್ಲೇ
ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೀವಿ ಯಾರನ್ನ, ನಮ್ಮ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗ್ ಬೈತಾರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬೈತಾರೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
No, Malur advocates had come. Let's be in solidarity with the Malur advocates.
You should not support them?
We have. After that, we have gone and personally met the administrative judge. His Lordship Justice Krishna Kumar is the administrative judge.
As the hearing concluded, the Karnataka High Court examined allegations against a judicial officer accused of misusing her official position during an incident involving 2 individuals on a 2-wheeler. The confrontation, which was captured on CCTV, was closely scrutinized by the court. It was alleged that the officer attempted to have digital evidence deleted and used her position to pressure the police into taking several individuals, including a 72-year-old man, into custody. After considering the material placed before it, the court observed that the conduct reflected in the CCTV footage was wholly inconsistent with the dignity expected of a judicial officer. The bench emphasized that judges hold a position of continuing public trust both inside and outside the courtroom and are expected to uphold the highest standard of conduct. In view of these observations, the High Court granted an interim stay on the investigation against the petitioners and directed the registry to place the order before the Hon'ble Justice for appropriate administrative consideration regarding the conduct of the judicial officer.